Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to connect SQL Server with SQL CMD in Windows. Let me start with SQL CMD. So go to your Windows button, just check command prompt and just run as an administrator. Click on yes. Let me increase the size. Okay, so this is my command prompt and let me check SQL CMD. So SQL CMD, and I want to get the options. What are the options available for the SQL CMD? Just click on dash and question mark. So these are the options are available. Minus S for the server, minus U for the login ID, minus P for the password, and minus E for the trusted connection, minus H for the host name, and many more. So mainly we are going to use minus S server, minus U, minus H, minus P, and minus E. These are the frequently we are using. And remember that minus capital U and minus small u both are the different thing. So minus capital U for the user login ID and minus small u means the Unicode output. So let me check with the connection. SQL CMD minus S, that is server localhost, and I'm giving the trusted connection minus E. So let me check minus capital E minus capital S. So connected, this means this is connected with the database. Next, next I'm just going to connect with the server name also. So my server name, SQL server running with the default instance and any other instance. So let me check first. So my instance name, this is default instance. So my instance name is SQL server. So let me copy that, or you can type it here. So I'm going to type MSSQL server minus E. So some getting some error. MSSQL server. Yeah, connected to the trusted user. Next I'm going to connect with the SA. So here I'm going to use the capital U then SA. So SQL CMD, then it prompt for the password. So password, if I'll give the wrong password, then it will give you the error for the login failed with the user. And if I'll put the correct password, I am going to able to connect. Now let me check I'm connected with the database and let me get the list of the databases. So select name from master.sys.databases. So there is a 30 databases are there. So all the databases are listed here, and let me cross check all the databases are correct or not. So let me go to the connect. database, localhost, and so here how many databases we have. So instead of counting, we can run the same query here. So go to the system databases, there is a master, go to the inside the master, you will get a views, system views, and here you will get sys.databases. So right click on that and just click on the list. So see here also that we have 30 rows, means 30 databases we have. Last Chirags and Chirags.in. So let me check here. Here also I am getting the Chirags and Chirags.in. So all the databases listed here. Now let me check connect with the one database and check how I'll get the data from that. Just assume that I am connected with the Chirag, and let me expand the Chirag, and there is a data table name user info. Right click and select rows. So here I'll get one row is only there. So let me connect. So I'll just use Chirags, then go. So database context to Chirag. Now let me write the select user info. So my table name is user info. So we have a one row, and that is there is a Chirags, and second name is tutorial. Here also I am getting the same thing. Now let me edit and insert one more row. So let me check with that Kumar India. Now let me run the same query. So here also I am getting the Kumar and India. So here we learn how to connect with the databases, and how to connect with the trusted user, how we'll get the list of the databases, and if I'll use one database and I'll run some query just like how to get the user info, so we will get the data from that. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.